Yum, yum!
Modo offers an array of selection features that can greatly enhance the creation process, such as select loop, select next and previous loop, as well as the ability to expand and contract selections. Converting one selection type to another, such as converting a polygon selection to vertices, enables you to not only work faster, but smarter. Selection plays a key role when creating and working in 3D. Modo selection sets can be an easy way to quickly store and recall selections without the need to manually reselect components and items. These useful sets can be used to replace, add to, or remove from the current selection. Introducing selection sets into your toolkit will enable you to work faster and focus on more important aspects of content creation. There are many features in Modo that can aid in the creation of UV maps. Meshes with the UV map can be refined using options such as the UV Relax tool that offers an interactive mode which enables the use of UV pins. These pins can be placed on any vertex in the UV map and act as handles, allowing you to interactively drag around the UV map to reshape the geometry. This process smooths or softens the mesh, often producing cleaner UVs with less overlapping and distortion. This real-time feedback enables you to quickly achieve the results you're after. Add this powerful feature to your toolkit so that you can focus on more artistic aspects of content creation. Modo's Split and Sew tool enables you to interactively join separate UV islands, reducing the number of seams and minimizing distortion by simply holding the Shift key and dragging over the elements you'd like to sew together. You can also quickly separate a single UV island into multiple parts by left-clicking and painting over the geometry you'd like to split. While Modo offers an amazing array of UV-specific tools to help generate UV maps, it's important to remember that you're not limited to these options. Sculpting brushes, as well as standard modeling tools such as the Element Move, Soft Drag, and Smooth tools can be used. You can also take advantage of the powerful fall-off options available in Modo, which will attenuate the effect the tool has over the geometry as a fall-off, creating a gradual decrease in intensity across a defined range. Having the ability to edit UV maps with familiar sculpting and modeling tools, as well as UV-specific tools, gives you the freedom to create a workflow that works best for you. Fall-offs in Modo enable you to attenuate the effect the tool has over a selection, creating a gradual decrease in intensity across a defined range. The Vertex Map Falloff option lets you use values of a weight, morph, or other vertex map to convert the values of the selected map into falloff strength. This powerful option can give you amazing control over what components get manipulated on a mesh when creating assets. Modo enables artists to assign real-world physical attributes to items to generate dynamically simulated motion. When working with soft body dynamics, vertex maps can be used as a goal map to control how much the soft body mesh retains its initial shape. Using the array of vertex map tools to create and adjust maps, artists can, in a sense, sculpt with dynamics. This can be a fun experience and, more importantly, a powerful workflow. Modo's suite of painting and sculpting tools enable artists to add tertiary details to the surfaces of meshes with ease. The curve constraint options work with both painting and sculpting brushes, and enable curves to be used to constrain brush strokes to the curve when sculpting and painting. Modo provides a variety of tools and functions to aid in the rigging process. Weight containers are a unique item that works similar to traditional weight maps, but unlike weight maps, these containers are a separate item and not saved to the mesh item. This enables you to easily reuse complex rigs by simply adding a mesh's verts to the weight containers associated with the rig. Using features such as weight containers can shave countless hours off the setup process, allowing you to devote more time to the animation process. Rig Clay is a rigging and animation workflow in Modo that enables you to click and drag with gestures to fire commands, drive channels, and more. This powerful feature allows you to create complex and intuitive rigs for posing and animating without the need for channel halls and other controls taking up real estate in your viewport. The onion skinning feature in Modo offers the ability to mimic the hand-drawn animation technique, which enables animators a way to easily visualize the overall motion of an action. This visualization option enables you to see several frames of your item's motion in a single frame. Take advantage of this useful feature as well as other animation tools in Modo to aid in the refinement of your motions. Modo offers a multitude of shading options which enable artists to easily produce high-quality, photorealistic renders. There are also non-photorealistic shading options such as the halftone shader, which enable you to apply a user-defined pattern over the diffuse color of a material, simulating the look of a low-fidelity image printed in a newspaper or magazine. Explore this and other NPR rendering options in Modo to extend the range of visual rendering styles in your work. Modo Shader Tree offers many ways to generate unique surfaces for your 3D assets. The fur material is a special texture layer that produces fibers which can be used to produce hair, grass, fur, and more. The array of options for the fur material gives you full control of the fibers that are generated, enabling you to cover surfaces with a wide range of creative possibilities. Modo renders all of these fibers with amazing speed, which allows you to quickly achieve the look you're after.
Yum, yum!